Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Wednesday, March 13th, 2013. Wow, news hits today that the Dow is in its longest record-setting streak that it's had in 26 years. It's its longest run it's had in more than a quarter of a century. The S&P up 0.13%, the Dow up a fraction, NASDAQ up a fraction. Small caps up pretty well here, up 0.4%. The banks up 0.55%. And we have the volatility index, the fear indicator, dipping by 3.6%. And commodities are off, with the gold off 0.34%, silver off by 0.92%, crude oil off by 0.21%, US dollar up 0.40%, which should have put a lot more stress on the markets than it did. So, taking a look here at the S&P, I really thought today it was going to have a sizable down day, and instead the markets hold strong. Maybe because everybody saw the white smoke today, hard telling, but we're building a high base. That's bullish, gang. Nice high base at a resistance area. If you look here at the Dow, I thought at Doji we would have sit somewhere down below 14,400, but it would have nothing to do with that. Instead, we do a sideways inside trading day movement. And same thing, another horizontal move on the NASDAQ below a major resistance line, but nonetheless building a high base. The Russells in a high base, bouncing, closing above this line that we have, but it's set to move forward. So we have a lot of high bases that have been created. Now we're looking for a breakout to the upside to extend this nice run that we're seeing out there in the markets. However, Google giving a bearish day today, but look at this beautiful bull pullback, gang, to the rising EMA moving averages. A buying opportunity, maybe. Apple, a slight pullback here, but we are on a support line. Buying opportunity, maybe. Facebook took a 2.7% hit today, dropping down. So be watching this one. We do have a support area at $26.95. So right around this $27 mark should be support. Let's see if we can find some support there and rally higher, giving us a double bottom. So with that, I'll sign off by saying that Carolina has her computer on the blink. So the Q's videos that she's been doing, she's not going to be able to do that for some time. She is out of the country right now, and she had an accident where some fluids had spilt. A drink had spilt on top of her laptop, ruining her abilities to be able to do video. So we're hoping to get that sorted out soon. So you guys are the best. Thanks for sharing this and leaving comments and liking the video. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon.
Hi, my name is Mike, and I wanted to take a quick moment to tell you about Grok Trade's 3-day mentorship program. The past few years have been really rough for us. I've lost a lot of money in the markets, didn't really know which ones would be a winning stock, and really I spent my head behind a computer a lot, buried in trying to figure out what the charts and the graphs really mean, and analysis was just not my thing. So finally there came a point where I've been watching the Grok Trades 3-day or the free market reports and videos that they do, and I've always wanted to take their 3-day mentoring program. However, I never found the time. But finally I said to myself, there's got to be a point where you stop losing money, and you got to learn to do this right if you're going to do it at all. And that's when I made the mental commitment to go ahead and take the Grok's training. The 3-day course, the 3-day mentorship program has been amazing. I now have the confidence that I need to be able to pick the right stocks, look at the data, throw out the fluff, and get right down to what I need to look at to make the decisions. And now I don't have the weakness in my trading strategies anymore. So I only wish I really found it sooner. I know this is going to be a great thing for you. Every trader needs to have a mentor of some kind. The Grok trade system is a logical choice, and it's been fantastic for us, and I know it'll do the same for you. Thanks.